Good afternoon, student. Today our lesson, ecology and its organization. What is ecology? Ecology is a branch of science which deals with the relationship between the biotic and abiotic components in their respective surroundings. Now, what are the characteristics of ecology? Number one, species diversity. Species diversity means various kind of organisms, the plants and animals, even different kind of plants or different kind of animals also present over there. Number two, growth structure of organisms. Being a living organisms, it has special types of growth and structure of each and every species. Third one is the dominance. In a particular area, some kind of plants and animals are dominant over others. Those who are strong, they can dominate over other organisms. Fourth one, the distribution and abundance of organisms. It is a natural process where nature distribute equally in a particular patterns of different kind of species, the plants and animals of this particular area. Number five, the movement of the energy. As you know, the energy is produced by plants and that is distributed to other organisms, animals, different kind of animals. This is a particular sequence and particular process. And the third one is the topic structure. Topic structure means the actual position of an organisms in this particular area. It depends on the characters of the organisms, their positions in this particular area. Now, the organization of ecology. It is start from the bottom. The first one is organisms. Organism means it is a fundamental unit of ecology because it interacts directly with the environment as well as with other organisms. Just a different kind of plants and animals, it is a single one is known as organisms. Second one is the population. Population refers to the number of organisms of the same species that are found in a particular area at a given period of time. That means the same kind of species, either plants and animals, present in this particular area. This is known as the population. Just to give you the examples. The population of a city, the human population of a city is 10,000. That means the total number of human beings of 10,000 over here. Next one is the community. It includes all the population of all the species of organisms. In the community, a different kind of organisms are present in this particular area and the total number. Not like the population. Population is the single type of species. And community is the different kind of species of plants and animals or the variety of plants and animals present in this particular area. Next one is the ecosystem. Ecosystem means it is a structural and functional unit of ecology. This is the fundamental fact of ecology. This ecosystem is the main components, the main organization of the ecology. Next is the biome. Biome is actually the larger ecosystem. It is the climatically and geographically defined as the similar climatic condition on the earth, such as the communities of the plants, animals, and soil organisms. And the last one is the biosphere. Biosphere means it is the global sum of all ecosystem. It is a part of the earth where living organisms exist. The biosphere consists of three non-living parts: lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. So these are the level of organization of ecology. Start from the bottom, from organisms and up to the biosphere. Now the worksheet. To study the following questions. define ecology, explain the characteristics of ecology, and explain the different organizations of ecology. Thank you.